Start.
Friends, I'm going to show how to play the Irish card. Please go. This is not
This is not a card. You fucking bitch.
How to I'll tell you. How to Irish card. Wait.
ইংলিশ বলতে কি আগুন লাগিয়ে দেবে?
Hey, by playing it, that is stance. Hey, by playing it, hey. By playing it, that is stance.
Oh yeah. Oh what a shot. Oh what a shot.
Oh, Tale, catch the ball now back here. I'm showing you how to play the Irish card.
ইংলিশ বলতে কি আগুন লাগিয়ে দেবে? এই ফায়ার ব্রিগেডের দরকার পড়বে।
Now, come here. Come here.
Oh my god.
Oh, friends, today my head coach is Shubhankar Karmakar. Shubhankar,
Smile baby smile.
Shubhankar Karmakar is going to teach the Irishman to how to play the Irish card. He's an Irishman. He looks like an Irishman. Do
He's
you
a
agree?
fucking man.
Do you agree how?
Yeah,
to do
yeah.
that? Hey, Lord.
Oh what a shot.
And Shubhankar Karmakar. If he can't play, Shubhankar Karmakar will beat him. Come on.
3 2 1 go.
This is not an Irish card. This is not an Irish card.
Beat him now. Beat him. পুলিশ ভিডিও হচ্ছে তো হ্যাঁ yeah oh now Mitchell Stark on the
He's
ball
going to teach him in Bengali only. Hey, come here.
ইংলিশ বলতে কি আগুন লাগিয়ে দিল oh this is what a shot is called
Come on.
you fool come here fool I'll give you a fool
এই যে দেখছো ভিডিও গুলো আছে
গুলছি তো আরে হয়ে গেছে করো
ও এই দেখছো মাস ইজ দ্য ক্যারিবিয়ান কাপ এই দেখছো ক্যারিবিয়ান কাপ ওকে আইরিশ কাপ শেখানো আইরিশ কাপ মারবে ওই fucking dog you missed the ball are you shooting the video
yes
yeah hear him hey this is not Irish shot this is not Irish shot no
কত করবি আর
now I'm going to show how to ball the off spin delivery
yo
come stand here it's your turn oh I told you to play the Irish card no that is not the matter that is not the matter you have to play the Irish card the ball is playing in the next time you have to play the Irish card yeah now see how to play the Irish card see yeah this is not the Irish card can you play yes yeah come on run get the ball you fucking dog get the ball yeah let's go कुछ मारते हैं see this is an age मारो age मारছে ও age मारছে मारो
Sorry coach, give me one chance.
ইংলিশ বলছে
sorry you can't speak in English
Yes, I can.
yeah go there our cameraman Shurashish does it not fitting well in the hot summer day
I have to play like this.
yeah you have to play like this bet yes what is this
catch miss you dog
now I'm going to show how to play the full shot come on stand here last shot yes come on last shot
fucking dog and fucking rat oh
hey this is English card not an Irish card
Oh my god.
ব্যাস enough not finished
Not finished.
memory card only 2 GB
আমি শেষ করব বেশি করব তাহলে এবার হাউ টু প্লে দ্য ফুল শট যাও ফুল শট খেলা ফুলটা না মারতে পারলে এবার পিটানো হবে ঠিক আছে তো
সুইমিং পুলে ফেলে পুল শটে পেটানো হবে
এই যে বলটা আসবে
হ্যাঁ এরকম যাও ভিডিও করছো তোমরা
তারপর ব্যাক করছি
ক্যামেরাম্যান
আসতে
পেমেন্ট না পেলে দেবো পেমেন্ট না কোচ ভাই সায়া সব দেখছি কেন
হ্যাঁ যা
সায়ার ভিডিও উঠছে কেন oh no the bowler is ready Mitchell Stark on the ball and a big finger and he's out
this is a full shot you have to play the full shot like this
and now torture beginning 4 minutes video 4.33
friends this was our video okay the video is not till end we will beat it like this hey parivar
one second.
yeah
Give me a chance.
go beat him okay one chance Tare please smile Tare please smile Tare
okay last chance Now Mr. Stark's ball. Just see how to play the pull shot. Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Fucking dog, this is not a pull shot. This is not a pull shot, this is a cut shot.
Look at video like a fucking dog. You fucking dog? You are fucking like a dog?
Now I will teach how to play the Yorker drill. Okay.
This is the last teaching. Only 2 GB left.
No, you stand there only.
This is the last ball of the innings. He's bowled. He's gone. Last ball. This is the last ball.
Good play. Come on. Out. Oh, bowling.
Out, and the video is over, and the last part of the video will be shown by someone else.
Okay, friends, please come here. Friends, please come here. Yeah. Okay. He gone. So today our coach Shubhankar Karmakar. Just say hi. Yeah. Rohan Pal, our coordinator, and Shorashish Das with his video. Thank you. We are on end our video.
Chale.
ভয় পেয়ে চলে গেছে বেচারা